Welcome back there, gentlemen. Today, it's a lovely day today, so what we're going to do, we're going to get tidying up the garden. This is what I've weeded already. I've weeded all the way around to the bottom there. This needs a good tidy up down the side here. And as we go down here, this is the bed. As you can see, I got down to there last time, all the way around. So, yeah, I'm going to be weeding all this. This is forget-me-nots there, which I'm going to leave it because it produced absolutely gorgeous flowers. Nice early flowering variety as well. Got my foxgloves, my hollyhocks, my primulas, lupins, crocosmia, penstemons as we go around here. And then just going to weed this. As you can see here, I've got a lot of things starting to come through now. That's the I'm forgetting the aqualegias there. Poppy variety. My lupins, like I said, and down the edge here. These have really shot over the last few days. These are aqualegias, so I'm going to get rid of all the dead foliage. This is all I'm using. It's my shears, a handy little fork, which needs straightening up. As you can see, bent it, getting a stone out. But I've got my little knee pad, so I don't want to be kneeling on that. Cold, hard surface. In here, I'm giving this a week because I've got my tulips coming up. Forget the name of them. But yeah, got some nice plants coming through now. And this is definitely coming up this year. I think it's foliage. I'll get the name of it properly, but I fetched it from my allotment several years ago when I had an allotment in town. Heard it made really good organic compost, so I thought, great, brilliant. Nobody told me that once it gets in, you only got to leave like a couple of mils of rooting, and that's it, spreads. So when I was digging the back out for my half-buried greenhouse, I shoveled the soil up here to build this up, and it had bits of rooting, and it absolutely taken over on this side here. So I'm going to dig it up, and if that, the worst thing is, I'm going to spray a weaker on it because I've just had enough of it. Absolutely mortified. Hey, Sonny, come on then, champ, come on. Who's a good boy then, aren't you? Who's a good boy? It's lovely, isn't it, pal? Sonny, come on then. I know, you have to get your mum to let you in. But yeah, get this weeded. Well, as you can see, got some of it done now. As you can see, got some of it done now. Started off just there with that green planter is. Come down to there, and then I've come down here and just started on here. So yeah, I think that's an Icelandic poppy there. I had to dig it up because it had a lot of grass mixed in with it. And here I've got some foxgloves from digitalis that are too close. Too close to the edge of the lawn. So as I weed down here tomorrow, I shall dig them up and plant them a little bit further inwards. You can see all the dead material. I like to leave it as long as possible these days because I know it's really beneficial for the little critters, little insects that live in our gardens. So yeah, as you can see, I will have done the front then down to here. I'm digging, I've got a few things in there that I'm going to dig up, split, divide. Perennials every 2, 3, 4 years. Dig it up, split them, you get more plants. It also rejuvenates the plants that you do plant back in. Extra vigour, extra growth. It's just starting to get windy now and the sun's low in the sky, so I'm not in the sun anymore. That's why I'm stopping today, because as soon as you're in the shade it's absolutely freezing. But look at all these snowdrops. It's looking a lot better. I'm going to put some edging down here this year as well, because I'm sick with it being on the slope of the garden. I'm sick of it coming down, and as you can see there, all the heavies come down the hill and stop at that edge, and that edge then floods over onto my path. Use my hand just to sheet. Get some sunlight out there. But yeah, look, it's not too bad at all now. So yeah, really enjoyed it today. Until I get finished tomorrow, and then it needs to get the lawn ready, raking, forking, aerating. So yeah, we'll get on with that. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Hope you like my videos from Happy Sowing, Happy Growing. Please keep safe and please look after yourself. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.